Are you ready for the ultimate upgrade to your toolkit? Meet the distance crosshairs measuring tool with Pythagorean construction. It's the measuring tool that's smarter than your average tape measure, and we're diving in fast. Picture this. You're in the middle of a big DIY project aiming for perfection, and bam! This bad boy simplifies the chaos. With the legendary Pythagorean theorem in its arsenal, it takes complex calculations from headache-inducing to effortlessly simple, saving time and sparing you that dreaded brain sweat. And those crosshairs? Pure magic. They help nail the perfect alignment like a pro. Want perfectly squared walls or floors? Just align, aim, and let the tool's precision take over. It's like having a built-in geometry wizard but without the pointy hat. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's not just tough, it's practically indestructible. Durable yet portable, it's ready to tackle any corner, nook, or cranny your project throws at you. Easy to use? You bet. The intuitive controls will make you feel like a measurement genius, whether you're an expert or just starting. Your spatial calculations have never been this smooth. Want to transform your construction game and make every project flawless? Hit the link in the description to check it out and discover the power of precision today.